Guys, welcome to the training today, and I'm going to show you this is a live trading session with one of my students. She is learning how to trade Forex using indicators. Okay, she's interested in learning using some of the indicators, which I really don't like using indicators because most of them they suffer a lot during like a trending market. When you have just a choppy trending market like what you see here, sometimes it's very difficult to trade with indicators. Most indicators just go crazy. Okay, they can't really help you when it is a trending market. Okay, when there's no clear direction, up or down trend, then most indicators will just not work. So I mostly like to trade the price action or using market structure or retracements, retesting, like where that's what I like to trade. Like for example, you draw the lines at a higher time frame. Okay, so let's look at, let's say, 4-hour time frame. This is what I like to trade. You get better win rate with this. Okay, so like this is a 4-hour. The pair we are using here is GBP USD. Okay, so what I would do is I would come here and take my horizontal line and just mark the highest point of the day. That's that, and the lowest point of the day so far. And in this case, the market just opened, so we're still on the first candle here. So I could just mark that as my lowest point, and then I go back to if I'm scalping, then I'll do the 5 minutes, or I can go to the 15 minutes, and I will expand this a little bit so I can see these candles, guys. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to mark another interesting point here. You can see that. That's another high point for the day. And then at the moment, you can see we are right here. So what happens here is I watch out for breakouts, okay? So if it breaks down here, if it breaks the lower line, which is like our support here, then I'll wait for a retest, okay? Comes back and tests that line, then that's the only time I'll enter for a short trade, okay? So I'll enter a short position there. If it comes and let's say breaks and retests, then I'll enter a short position with a risk of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, depending on how fast volatile the market is, okay? And then the other way around, if it goes up, okay, changes direction and it breaks this resistance line up here, then again, I'll wait for it to go up and retest, and then I'll enter the market using a long trade, and I'll also maybe go for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and only risking a 0.5 or 1% of my account, okay? Because the idea is you don't want to risk too much money. You could actually, that's what we talk about, right? Not blowing your accounts. Most students are telling me, before they come here and start training is they blow their accounts. Okay, guys, so before we start this training for the day, let me say a word of prayer. I'm a believer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray that the training I'm going to share shall be helpful to those who apply it. I pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. All right, guys, really, whatever you believe in, just learn everything, practice, and teach others. Okay, that's what the master teacher says. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you believe in, just learn everything about what you believe in, make sure you practice and what you believe in, and then teach others. Because the master teacher says, when you teach others, okay, when you teach others, something magical happens, okay? And one of the greatest motivational speakers, may Lord rest his soul in peace, used to say that something magical happens. You undergo a transformation. The teacher undergoes a transformation, and the student gets better, okay? Now, when the student gets better, they start achieving their goals, they start solving their problems, and now if you help enough people solve their problems, your problems go away. I've seen that. That has happened to me. It's happened to many of our coaches. We have a lot of people in the Smart Wolf Club. If you're not a member of the Smart Wolf Club, please go and join. The link will be in the description. For those of you who are live, I'm putting the links on the chat. My VA is putting the links on the chat, so you guys can go ahead and join. Make sure you join, okay? Join the Smart Wolf Club. All you need is your name and your email address. And of course, if you want to be trained by one of us, okay, you can also enjoy our training, okay? Join our trainings. For those of you who want to learn how to trade Forex, trade binary options, we have our trainings in the Smart Wolf Club, so go ahead and join those, okay? These are computer video-based trainings, okay? And every week we have a new training for you guys, okay? Actually, it's every Wednesday we have a new training for you guys where we go live on our webinars and show you some of the latest strategies that are working for us, our students, and our coaches. We have coaches from all over the world. We've been to so many countries over the world, and we have traded Forex, options, stocks, crypto, and what we call digital marketing. Now, this is the bread and butter. So in the Smart Wolf Club, we teach you all these skills, okay? Because our goal and our motto is to help our members have at least 6 sources of income. Because you saw what happened during the pandemic, right? Okay? Guys, before I come back to this Forex training that we're going to do today, let me just clear this first, okay? You saw what happened during the pandemic. A lot of people lost their sources of income. In fact, one of my students right here, Martha, she's from Sydney, Australia. They lost their restaurant business because of the closures and the restrictions. And now she has learned how to trade binary options, Forex, crypto, and stocks. And she's now learning how to do digital marketing, where you put in a $10, make $1,000, $100, depending on the mediums that you're using, okay? And of course, some of those things are advanced trainings for our students, and we hold your hand and share our experiences, okay? So I'm going to put a disclaimer here. What I'm going to share with you guys is not financial advice. It's not professional financial advice. None of us is a professional financial advisor. None of us is a professional trader. What we're sharing with you is our experiences. Some of our coaches, some of us, I've been online since 1998. So that's many, many years doing this. I've been anything online. We've been there, been done that. So we're sharing a lot of experience. Now, somebody is asking on the chat, why are you guys not famous? Why are you guys not known? Why are you guys not like influencers on Instagram? Because we are underground, okay? Just during the pandemic, we decided, you know what, touched close to our heart, let's help our brothers and sisters put bread on the table. And that's when we started training and sharing some of our trainings in the public with the permission of our students. Like now, I'm training one of my students here. She is from South Africa, okay? We do this virtually. With the power of the internet, you can be anywhere in the world. You can be on the go. You can be at the airport traveling. You could be at a Starbucks cafe, and you could attend our training. All we need to do is send you a link, Zoom, go to webinar, Microsoft Team link, and you join the training, and we hold your hand. We show you the strategies, okay? So you can train from any part of the world. It doesn't matter. And now we've been to so many countries. Just recently, we were in India, and we had over 200 people come live to our training, okay? Morning, breakfast, almost crashing the Wi-Fi in the hotel. Not long ago, we were in Rio de Janeiro. One of our coaches, one of our best coaches is in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, Mr. Rodriguez. Are you here? Yeah, he's on here, okay? We had almost thousands of people show up for our trainings the few weeks we were down there. And we train a lot of them how to trade Forex, crypto. A lot of them are into crypto now. Yeah, the Bitcoins of the world, the Ethereums, the Solanas, the Cardanos. I know a lot of you are into crypto, and a lot of you are missing the boat because you don't know how to go about it, but it's very, very simple. And we train our students on how to do this. So we have all these trainings in the Smart Wolf Club. So go ahead and join. Now, some of you want to be social, so we have put some links in our description. We have a Telegram group. You can go and join the Telegram group. If you don't like Telegram, we have a WhatsApp group. If you don't like WhatsApp group, we have a Facebook group. The Facebook group is a private Facebook group. So once you join the Smart Wolf Club membership, you're invited to join the private Facebook group. Go ahead and join. Ask questions, okay? Don't just come in there and look around and leave. Come, ask your question. If you don't ask your questions, we are not going to provide the answers because we don't know what you need. Most people just come and hang out and they don't ask questions. So if you don't ask questions, we don't provide answers. The master teacher says, if you knock the door, it shall be opened for you. If you don't knock, well, we might not open the door for you because we don't know what you need. We don't know you're outside. Okay, you gotta knock the door. So that's what I say. You come to those groups, ask your question, you'll get an answer. It may take us a few hours, few minutes because we are very busy individuals, but I can assure you that somebody is going to answer. Or you can leave a comment below our video here, okay? We started this channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel on YouTube, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe because we need to grow this channel. I think we only have like 1,000 members, and I can see already on this webinar, we have over 1,000 people right now live, okay, watching this. So you guys, go ahead and subscribe. Please pause for 1 minute, subscribe, because once you subscribe and share and subscribe at least 5 friends, because we want to get it to 5,000. The more members we have, the more subscribers we have, the more YouTube is going to share our messages. The more YouTube is going to spread our videos, our trainings, and that way we can reach as many people as possible. Our goal is to help at least 1,000 people this year to get to the $1 million mark just working from home, either trading Forex plus crypto plus stocks plus stock options plus binary options, and of course the bread and butter. Okay, listen carefully. The bread and butter of it all is digital marketing. Once you master those skills, you will never go hungry. Okay, I'm not giving you any guarantees, or I'm not promising you any quick riches. You must put the work, guys. Like, for example, trading Forex. Okay, some people tell me, do you give signals? Yeah, we can give you signals, but that's not helping you. It's like giving you the fish. I can give you the fish, but for how long? I'm only one person. One day I will go away. When the lights go off on me, I go away. I go with the fish. How are you then you're gonna look for somebody else to give you the fish? That is our reasoning in the Smart Wolf Club. That's why we take the time to teach you, to show you the strategies, the skills that we use, the strategies that we use to make money. So the idea is to teach you how to fish, okay? Yeah, I've had a lot of people DM me. I've even had students come in and tell me, okay, fine, you've taught me all this, but I need signals. Can you give me the signals? I can give you the signals, but I don't understand your circumstances. I don't know your circumstances very well, okay? So we can give you the fish for the time being. That is just a temporary solution. So we don't buy that idea. That school of thought, we do not subscribe to that school of thought. Our school of thought is we teach you how to fish. We take you to the fishing ground, okay? And we show you how to, okay, throw your hooks, maybe throw your net. Or if you're if we are spear fishing, we show you how to throw the spear. Okay, what type of a spear you need. So we show you how to fish your own fish. Okay, go out there and fish and fish. We teach you how to do that, so that when I am gone or any of my coaches is gone, you are an independent person, and we pray that you go ahead and teach others. Okay, that's why we say our master teacher tells us, if you want to be a great person, if you want to be successful, you have to teach others, okay? Don't be selfish. You have to teach others, because when you teach others, if you teach enough people and they solve their problems, they start solving their problems, your problems goes away. So the focus here is not just you, okay? The focus here is, okay, fine, take care of you first. Get your fish first. But while you're getting your fish and you're getting good at getting your own fish, then start show others. Just like we're going to show you. Start teach. Promise me you're going to do that. You're going to, when you learn these strategies, you're going to teach at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20, 30, 100 people, 1,000 people. We've trained thousands of people. Some of the gurus that you see on Instagram with their flashy Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces, and Bentleys, some of those gurus have gone through our training. I have trained some of them. My coaches have trained some of them. We have some of the best coaches right now. For example, in Japan here, we have Tajimoto on here. He's been with us for over 15 years. very successful in what he does. Come to digital marketing, Forex, binary, stocks, excellent, okay? Very successful. He's taught so many people. If you come from the United States, for example, if you go down to Atlanta, Mr. Baker has been with us for over 17 years, training excellent people. He's trained a lot of gurus. I see some of them. If you go to India, for example, Bombay, you see Mr. Singh with a huge group. He's been training a lot of people. He's been with us for over 17 years. If you go to New York, you go meet Rosemary, who's been with us for over 12 years. She's been training a lot of people. If you go to Toronto, Canada, Anne-Marie, been with us for over 15 years, training a lot of people. If you go to London in the UK, Mr. Scott, how are you, sir? I see him on here. I see him on the live webinar. Just wave. How are you doing? Mr. Scott has been with us for over 15 years, trained a lot of folks how to trade, how to do what we call digital marketing, how to make money online. Digital marketing is the bread and butter, okay? So we'll teach you all this plus digital marketing. Now, that's the culmination. That is the creme de la creme. You master those skills, you will never lack luck. You'll never go hungry because you know how you can take $1, turn it into $10, okay? Just like magic, okay? Even though there are no guarantees, I'm not promising you quick riches. You have to learn the strategy. You got to put the sweat equity, guys. You got to have a skin in the game, okay? You have to learn. You have to go through, you know, we're going to shortcut your journey because we've gone through this the hard way. Now we're going to shortcut. We're going to hold your hand and show you where to click, what to buy, what not to buy, or what to sign up for and what not to sign up for, when to bid and when not to bid, when to take the trade and when not to take the trade. So things like that. We're going to help you. We're like a big brother watching over your shoulder and telling you, don't do this, do that. This looks good. Go ahead. Even though, as I said, the markets, for example, Forex, binary option, yeah, sometimes you will come in here and lose, okay? But we teach you what we call proper risk management. So you lose less than you win. You win more than you lose. That way you become profitable. Okay, so that's why I said when I'm taking these trades using this type of strategy here, you can see this one already here. There's a breakout. Okay, guys. While we are talking, I'm just waiting for this pair. It's the GBP USD. We can use another pair. You can see the GBP USD. You can see it has broken this line. Okay. The breakout has to be sufficient enough for me to be able to take a trade. So I'm not going to count this as a retest. This green candle you see here is not really a retest. It has to break out and go. It has to be a substantial breakout. That's basically what I'm saying. It has to be a substantial breakout. Okay. So I trade without indicators. Okay. I find that easier for me because most of these indicators, either they are lagging, you know, like behind. So whatever information they're giving you is lagging. But I'm teaching one of my students today with you guys live, and she, with her permission, she's a private student. She paid a lot of money to be taught private one-on-one. And she has allowed us to share this live. It's a Wednesday. Every Wednesday, guys, we have a live training where we actually share the training with you guys, and we share this on our YouTube channel for free. So go ahead and subscribe to that channel, guys, and hit the bell notification so you will be notified when we upload the next training. Now, we do upload videos more frequently than that. Anytime we have excellent training and excellent strategy, we share that with the public, with the permission of our students, our coaches, we share that. So we have more videos coming to you rather than just the one every week. So just go ahead and enjoy the trainings, follow the training. That is key, okay? Because I know most of you guys are not successful because you watch one strategy, you go to another channel, you've subscribed to millions of channels. So everybody is bombarding, notifying you that, oh, there's another video, you're going to learn about this magical indicator. We call it the shiny object syndrome. And that holds you back, confuses your mind, and gives you what we call, you become a procrastinator. You're confused. You don't know when to start. Now, if you have not started trading Forex, go ahead and start right away. Okay? Is there somebody on here who is a beginner, who's never even taken a trade, who doesn't have these accounts? Start right away. First of all, you need these 3 tools, okay? You need a TradingView account, okay? So I'm going to put the link in the description, guys. Click that link. Go ahead and open your TradingView account. You can go for the free account right now because we are not using more than 2 or 3 indicators. I'm just going to show you this one indicator right here, okay? So you only need the free account. Click the link, open the free account, just your name and your email address. Do that now, please. I am begging you, stop procrastinating. Stop, pause this training, pause this video, click the link, go ahead and open your TradingView account, okay? Once you open your TradingView account, then you're going to go to Forex, okay, right here. When we are trading stocks, we go here. When you're trading futures, we go here. When you're trading crypto, we go here. We do all this. When we are trading indices, we go here. When we are doing bonds, we go right here. So right now, we are doing Forex. Okay? So you click Forex, and you're going to see all these major pairs here show up on the top. GBP USD, that is the British pound against the dollar. So we have the base current and the quote current. Okay? The bears and the caught, the bears and the caught, okay? Guys, now if you are extremely new to this, go and watch our previous video. That's why I'm saying we have had a preliminary training already where we show you what you need to start getting trading Forex for beginners, guys. So go ahead and do that. We have tradings. We have videos in the channel about binary options, stocks, crypto. So go ahead and join, okay? Go and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe right now, and may the Almighty bless your hands. Now, once you subscribe, share with your family, friends, people that you really care about, okay? Because this information is not for the common people, okay? Not many people share this type of information. Most people come and show you shiny objects, okay? A lot of them, they'll show you shiny objects and they get your mind all twisted and confused all the time, okay? So basically here we keep it keep it simple, stupid at the Smart Wolf Club. We keep it very simple. Like I just showed you, I will not trade with lots of indicators. All I do every morning when the market opens, I just go to the 4 hours, okay? I pick up a pair, and I pick a pair that has good volume, like the GBP USD. I don't do the Euro USD because most big banks manipulate that. This is where a lot of trading takes place, the Euro USD. This is massive. So there's a lot of manipulation here, and for beginners, you can easily lose your money. It might have good volume, good movement, but the Euro is risky for a beginner, okay? So I like the GBP USD. For those of you who are slightly not very new in the market. Now, for those of you who are extremely new in the market, this is the pair I would want you to use, AUD USD. Now, this is not financial advice, but I'm just telling you the route and the things that I teach my students, okay? So you want to be my student, just do what I say, okay? Why? If you're extremely new, these are some of the pairs that you want to use. They move, but they're a little stable, okay? So they might not give you as much volume, but they are more stable, okay? Now, if you go to the Euro USD, moves fast, okay, and very, very unstable. Now, if you go to indices, okay, if you do the indices, guys, okay, let me just go to all so I can choose whatever I want. Indices, let's say like the NAS 100, okay? The NASDAQ 100. This is like the 100 technology industry companies in the US bunched up together to form this index. This moves pretty fast, okay? Now, it's worse with the US 30. Again, these are 30 Dow Jones Industries, okay? 30. This moves critically fast, okay? So you can blow your accounts, and this one can also make you a lot of money. But I reserve this for people who are at least experienced in the market. For those of you who know what to do with what we call, you can take proper lot sizes, proper risk management, because you can easily blow your account. 1 minute you could be $1,000 up, the next minute you are negative $1,000, okay? Because they move fast, very fast, highly volatile, okay? So we reserve this for people who have been trading for some time. So that way you know how to manage your, managing your risk, okay? Risk management 101. Never ever, guys, this is a disclaimer, guys. I will never tell you to trade more money than you can afford to lose. Guys, never ever. If you can only afford $10 to lose $10, because you can lose your money. We come in here and lose money, okay? There's nobody immune to that. It doesn't matter whether you've been trading for 50 years or 40 years or 60 years. Any trader, as long as you're in the market, you're at a risk of, there's a 50-50% chance that you can lose or win. It doesn't matter what level of experience you have. The only difference is maybe how much do I lose? How much is the risk management, okay? So maybe for every trade, I'm only risking $500. If I have a $10,000 account or $100,000 account, maybe per trade, I only risk $500, 0.5%, okay? Whereas if you're a beginner, because you're greedy, you may want to risk more and boom, you blow your account. And that's the difference, okay? And then sometimes I come in here and I don't take any trade because I do not see a good setup. The market is risky. But some of you are under a lot of pressure. You feel like you need to trade every day, every minute, every hour. So you spend too much time in the market, you end up increasing your chances of blowing your account. And that makes the difference between some people who are advanced traders who win a lot in the market, and those who lose. Those who win, sometimes they only come in here and they take what we call precision trades, okay? There's people who take 2-3 trades per week or 1 trade a day. And then there's people who try to take 4-5 trades a day and boom, they lose, okay? You end up losing because you're overexposing yourself to the market. Manipulation, okay? I did use the word manipulation, okay? So go find out what manipulation in the market means, okay? Find out. This is your homework, guys. I want you guys to participate in this. I'm not going to give you all the answers at the moment. I do give my students some homework, something to take home. So I want you to go and research what is market manipulation. What happens? What is behind the scenes? When we see these candles here, they look innocent, but these candles give us a lot of information. I'm looking at the Dow Jones right now. You look at the candle. This is a 4-hour chart. Look at that green candle for me. What is going on in the market right now? Look at this big bullish candle here that showed up here. What happened here? What was behind the scenes such that we had a massive candle here? And then what happens here? We had a small candle here, like a doji. Look at that candle, tiny candle, almost a doji candle. Look at that. So what happened? So guys, you need to understand this price action. You need to understand this, because you're going to be successful traders if you can understand, if you can interpret what you're seeing right here. This will make your trading journey very, very simple. Okay, guys? So let's go to the indicator that we are trying to use now. Okay? My student here wants to learn how to use the indicator, and the indicator is this one here. Directional, volatility, and volume. Okay? So this indicator is awesome. Okay? It's a little known indicator, and it is awesome, guys. Why? It gives you the trend, and it also shows you the volume. Because look, the most dangerous market you can trade in is just what we call a ranging market. Most indicators will not work when the market is just ranging up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay? But when you have a volume indicator like this, it shows you that there is enough volume here to take the trade. You can see here the bars are all green and they're above this black line. That shows here we have a better chance of winning if we take a long trade. So if we come here and take a long trade, guys, we take a long position here, we are likely to win. So what I will do is I combine this with my price action, market structure trading, retest, breakout method that I use every day. So what I'll do is I'll draw my lines, This is the highest point of the day, and this is the lowest point of the day here. And then I go back to the 5 minutes. Okay, I look at the 5 minutes and I expand this. You can see the 5 minute is there. Okay, so you can see I'm waiting for it to break up above this. Okay, the other line is so far, so what we can do, we can just draw another line here. Look at the lowest point of the day. This is it here for the 5 minutes. So we have our support right here. There we go, somewhere there. Somewhere right there. Okay. And now what's happening is, and we can move this to this level here. All right, so there we go. So now we have that. So this is our channel right here. We're not going to trade. We're not going to take any trades in this channel. Okay. We're going to wait until, now you can see the green is forming. So this is a strong upward trend. So we're going to wait until it breaks above this resistance line here. Once it breaks that above that resistance line, then we have to wait for it to come back and retest that line. When it retests that line and it shows a bullish trend, okay, it might retest and go back. So we're not going to take a trade if it comes back and goes inside the channel. No, if it goes up, okay, it goes up, comes back, and then goes up, then we're going to enter. That's when we are going to enter. Okay, I'm just saying if it goes up, you see, like that, and then it comes down there, and then now it bounces there, then this is when we're going to take a trade. So here we're going to take our long position, and we can go for whatever risk to reward ratio that we want. So we can use this as our stop loss, okay, or just the previous swing low, which is something like that one there. We can use that as our stop loss, and our take profit, we can push it up to like 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. It doesn't matter, okay? We just go over there and let it go, and let's see what happens. That's if it goes that way. Now, if it goes the other way around, okay, guys, so I'm just teaching what my student is learning now. If it goes the other way around, let's say it goes up, comes down, and it goes inside, then we are not going to take any trade. We're going to wait for it. Hopefully, it's going to break through here. And then if it retests and it starts going down, then we're going to enter a trade here. And we're going to take a short position, guys. And our short position is going to be that way. So we can use this as our stop loss. And we can have that. If this was really high here, we could use that as our take profit. Okay? Boom. Right there. This is giving you, well, this is 0.94. It will definitely be better than that, because most of them will give you at least a 2 or 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay? So that's a very simple strategy. So now, what is this volume, direction of volume, and volatility and volume? So this is called an indicator for those of you who are beginners. Once you have your chart set up like this on TradingView. Now, if you don't know how to set up a chart on TradingView, I have done a training before. And if you go to YouTube right now and saying setting up your TradingView, don't be lazy, guys. Just go to YouTube and type setting up your TradingView. You are going to get a clear video that shows you how you can set up your charts on TradingView. Okay, TradingView, when you sign up for TradingView, they have trainings showing you how to set up the charts. So go ahead and watch that training, maybe 3-4 minutes training. It shows you how to set up your chart like this. Okay, and if you need help, please comment below. Okay, guys, for those of you who are going to watch this, if you need help from any one of us, just comment below that you need help with setting up your TradingView. And of course, one of us is going to help you guys. We're here to help you. Okay. Don't feel left alone. We're here to help you. Okay, guys? We are here to help you. We are together. We are brothers and sisters. We need to help at least 1,000 people to get to the freedom, to see the light, to achieve their dream, get to that $1 million mark per year. Even if it's going to take 4 weeks, 4 months, 10 months, 1 year. But we are going to get together to that level. Okay? You just need to buy in, come join us and let us work together, guys. This is critical for your family. This is critical for your society. This is critical for your community. Okay, just imagine if you can learn these strategies and teach your whole family, people that you love, and they can all start making money online. Okay, not working a 9 to 5. Okay, you can do your 9 to 5, and you can do this part-time. You can start part-time. That's how most of us started. We started doing these things part-time. That's how most of our students start. They come doing part-time because you need your job to pay your bills, to even give you the money to start trading. You need money to start trading. You're going to need $100, $50, $1,000, depending on your level of risk tolerance. Some people can come in with $10,000. We have had students who come in $100,000. They say, I have $100,000 just sitting in my bank, and I want to put this in the market. I can afford to lose it, and it doesn't affect me. They got lots of money. Okay. Now, for some of you, 100,000 is what you make in a lifetime. So that's too much money. You cannot afford to risk that. Some people can come and say, okay, I can only afford to risk $100. Okay, welcome. Let's start at $100. The only thing is that you're going to trade small lot sizes. Your risk tolerance is going to be like high. You're going to be trading small lot sizes. So Romo's not built in one day. Okay, so you can slowly compound. I have done videos here before where I showed you how we take $100, turn it into $1,000 in 1 week. Okay, either binary option trading or Forex trading. You can do that. Okay, taking bigger chunks of risk. Okay, risking a lot. So again, that depends on your risk tolerance. That's what I'm saying. So the difference, whatever matters is the difference is the same. Some guys have a lot of money. Some people have a lot of money. They are ready to risk 100,000. Whereas there's somebody who can only risk $50. That's all they can afford. So we are all at different levels, and we come in different shapes and sizes and color. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter to us. We are here to assist our communities start making money. We are only offering you another source of income. Okay, we want 6 sources of income for you. So how are we going to do that? We're going to teach you how to do Forex trading, stocks, crypto, binary, for those of you. Now, these are not cast on stone. You can choose whatever you want to learn. Some people come and tell me, I only want to do Forex trading. That's all I want to do. I'm so good at stocks. I'm so good at crypto, but I am not doing well on Forex. Okay. Whatever rocks your boat, that's what we're going to jump into. So guys, you can see, just like I said, this started going down. So this is a very strong resistance level here. So we are in this channel here. So we are not taking any trade right now. You can see that. I'm not taking any trades right now here. Let's look at the 15-minute. Let's see how does that look. Yeah, so you see we are in this crazy channel here. So right now here, it doesn't look good for us to take any trade, as you can see, because we will wait for it to break out here. We only trade the breakouts and the retest strategy. So it has to break and then retest that level, and that's the only time we will jump in there. So far, I do not have a setup to take a trade, so I'm not taking any trades. But I was simply demonstrating the strategy that I use every day to trade. Whenever I'm trading, this is what I use, no indicators. My student is learning how to trade, and she wants to learn how to use the indicator, and the only indicator I'm recommending for her is this one right here. Okay. Now, how do you get that indicator? You come here and you just type directional volatility and volume, and it's this one here by Pug Forex. Okay, it's a little known indicator. You can see there's only 221 people who have actually favorite this. So you favorite it and you click on it, and this is what you get. And then you come here, and these are the settings that I'm using right here. 4, 14, okay guys, 4, 14, 25. And this is EMA, SMA, RMA, and push OK. Okay. And then when it comes to style, so here's black, black, white, black, black, and white, and then OK. And the color here is green. Color 1 is, you can see it. Okay. You see that, guys? All right, so you took a screenshot of that, guys. That was the idea why I kept it there. Take a screenshot of those settings. So now, when the candles break above the black zone here, let's say we will only take a long trade, because right now, if I remove these lines, right now it's telling me I can take a long trade here. So what I will do is I will come here and I will take a long trade right there. And I'm going to go to a risk of 1 to 2, risk to reward ratio. There you go. And of course, my stop loss would be the previous swing low. So the swing low here was, the previous swing low, you guys can see, was this one down here. So that's my previous swing low. Or again, some of you can be calculating your stop losses based on your risk. How much do you want to risk? So if your account is $100 and you can only risk $10, okay? So again, you can look at the lot sizes and the number of pips that you can risk. So maybe you can only risk 10 pips. So you're going to calculate here how many pips you're going to risk. So it's not, this one says 75, so we don't want to risk that much. So again, you can put it as close, tight stop loss as possible, okay? It could just be at the base of this candle that's forming right there. So we can have your stop loss right there. And of course, now you see the take profit is like 6.1. We don't want that. We can just use 3 right there. So this could be our take profit. This is our stop loss, and it's a very tight stop loss. And then we wait, and we're going to hit this take profit in just a few minutes. Maybe in an hour or two, we should be in the money, guys. Because you can see this is a strong bullish candle, bullish trend here, showing you it is an upward trend. That's why we call it the directional volatility and the volume. It is both a trend indicator and a volume indicator. And you can trade with just this one indicator here. And of course, price action, and of course, drawing the market structure, and thus analyzing the market structure. If you combine these two strategies, you are going to be in the money and you're going to be profitable, guys. Okay? So I'm going to end this training here because I don't want to keep it too long. But this is my request, guys. First of all, today, for those of you who are going to watch this video for the first time, okay? Because we're going to put this up on our YouTube channel, the Smart Wolf Club. First of all, subscribe to the channel, okay? I am requesting you to subscribe to our channel, okay? That's the only thing you can do in return for my free training, okay? For you guys. And thanks my student who has given me the permission. She's live from South Africa. I'm coming to you guys live from Dubai, okay? UAE at the moment. And we trade from anywhere of the world. So many times our trainings are in different parts of the world because we travel a lot trading. We have a lot of students. And this gives you freedom because you can trade anywhere where there's an internet connection, okay? All you have to do is just know the time zones and the market timings. If you want to trade the New York times, then you know you convert that into your local time. So sometimes you'll be trading in the middle of the night. If you want to trade the London time, you just have to convert to your local time and see what time you need to be up and on the chart trading, okay? And of course, some things like crypto, you can trade 24/7, okay? We have various platforms that you can trade crypto. We use Bybit a lot, okay? There are many others. So I'm going to put the links in the description for all the resources that we use for our tradings, whether it's crypto, binary options, all those are in the links. And when you join our group, the Smart Wolf Club, the link is in the description. Come and become a member of that Smart Wolf Club, okay? So you can enjoy some of this training. Now, if you want somebody to train you one-on-one, again, you can comment below, or there is an email address, okay, in the description. Send an email, and the subject of the matter should say one-on-one coaching. Those are very simple instructions. Just put on the subject one-on-one coaching. And one of our coaches will get back to you and get you started the right way, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys have started, have been in the market, either some of you have lost money, So you just need somebody to give you a kick on the butt or just show you the right way. Okay, your mindset piece. Just work on your mindset. Because some of you have fear in the markets. Either you lost money and now you're afraid that you're going to continue losing money. So you can work with somebody to help you with your risk management and also give you some direction. Like now, I'm just showing you. This is pretty simple. I'm sure some of you feel like you can go out there and trade right now. Why? Because we keep it simple here. Keep it simple, stupid. Not complicated, not too much language, too much jargon, too much, I don't know, you hear all kinds of names, you hear all kinds of indicators, bells and whistles, going and off, signals there, indicators, sell, buy, signals. No, we don't want that. That's just too confusing. We just want few lines on the chart. See, my chart is pretty clean right now. You can see that. This is what I like. I like a clean chart. You can see if I remove this, there's hardly nothing on this. Oh, sorry, I just removed this line. I can bring it back. All right. So this one here, for example, if I remove that drawing, what do you see? Only two lines plus this indicator down here, just to tell me whether there is enough volume to trade. And you can see, yes, it is. There's volume going up. So if we had taken a long trade here, we would be in the money, guys. And this is the US 30. This is lots of money. You can make a lot of money with this type of index. If you trade these indices, the NAS 100, the US 30, people make a lot of money. This slight movement here can make you a lot of money. And again, this slight movement in the other side can lose you a lot of money. Okay? So you gotta be careful both sides, guys. So take home, open your TradingView account. Okay, the link is in the description. And then, of course, open an account with a Forex broker. Okay, again, we'll put the links in the description. There's HANKOTRADE, FxSway. There are many brokers, MASARI. Go ahead and open an account with those. It's free to open the accounts, the demo accounts. Okay, some of them will require that you deposit money in your live account before they give you a demo account. That's in order. Okay, you're not going to trade your money right now. You're just going to use their demo account. You can have your money sitting in the live account, but you not be trading it until you get really good at trading. Use the demo account to practice this strategy. You can do the retesting. You can do that on TradingView, how to replay this and retest. Okay, see, we have the replay button right here. So I can go back previous months and see if this strategy works by what we call testing, strategy testing. Okay, you can test your strategies. Now, if you don't know how to do that, again, don't be lazy, guys. Just go to TradingView, sign up. They have videos, training videos, okay, for free. You're going to learn. If you go to YouTube, you see their channel. They have free training videos showing you how you can retest your strategy, how you can replay this to previous months, previous weeks, even previous years. You can do a test for previous years and see how good your strategy is, okay? So before you even start trading any strategy, you go and test it. Okay? I'll be showing you how to retest some of this strategy in my next training, because I can see a lot of you guys are saying you want to learn how to test your strategies before you can. I'll show you in one of my videos coming up. Okay, guys? I'll be teaching all of my students how to do that soon, and I will show you how to do it too. I will share that training. So just subscribe to the channel, please, the Smart Wolf Club. We need to get it to 5,000. I know we can do that. There is over 1,000 people here already. If you share this, subscribe your 5 friends, we'll be at 5,000. Okay? And if we get to the 5,000 mark, YouTube will start sharing this, and we're going to get at least 1,000 people that we need to train, to work with, to get them to the 1 mil. We want to make at least 1,000 millionaires, 1,000 people who are making $1 million. Okay? See, let me just do a Google search here. And let's say, how many people make $1 million per year? The bottom line, there are a whole lot of self-made people making a whole lot of money in the United States alone. Not to mention the rest of the world, making up to 1%, just 1%, or 318 in income per year is easier than being one of the 200,000, 300 36, 800 people earning $1 million or more a year. Look, it's a very small percentage. This is just the number of people. I just did a quick Google search. How many people make $1 million a year? Only about 0.1% of Americans make over $1 million. US alone has over 350 million people, okay? Only 0.1%. Only. So, that's a very small number. It saddens my heart. So that's why we want to be part of this. We want to get at least 1,000 people and get them to $1 million mark. So we can add this to this. Okay? Even though that might be just a drop in the ocean, but we can make a difference, guys. And together we can make a difference. You're going to be part of this journey, and you're going to be happy at the end of the day, because if you can help one person get to $1 million in your community, just imagine what's going to do to your community. They're going to donate more to your charities. They're going to help their families. They're going to take their kids to the best schools. They're going to achieve their dreams. They're going to travel like most of you want. They're going to have a good car, some like most of you want. They want good cars. Some of you want good homes. Some of you want good spouses, family. Some of you want to travel. A lot of our students like to travel. Every time we go to a place and ask our students, why are you working so hard? Why are you coming for the training? What is your dream? Some people tell you, I want to travel. A lot of them, 90%, 99%. So people realize the world is bigger than just your community, just your small village. The world is much, much bigger than that. Okay? And we enjoy that. We like that. We like that. So, guys, so you can see it's less than 1%. I mean, 0.1% of the people are making $1 million a year. And you can see this is yours for the taking. Because if you learn a strategy like this, you can grow your $100 into millions just by sticking with it. It might take you longer than somebody who has $100,000 to trade. Okay? Somebody who has $100,000 is way, way above. 10,000 is 1,000 times above you in terms of getting to $1 million. Maybe it's going to take them 6 months to get to $1 million. It might take you a year, but at least you got started. You're giving it a shot. If you don't do anything, nothing changes completely. Your life does not change if you don't do anything. That's why you have to start doing something. Brothers and sisters, let us all rise up. Let us first of all subscribe to this channel, okay? We're going to give you the hope, we're going to give you the skills, and we're going to give you the prayers, okay? Because we all need help. We need prayers, guys. It doesn't matter what you believe in. As I said, whatever you believe in, I don't care. Just go ahead, learn everything of what you believe in, practice, and teach others. But what we believe in here is to hold your hand and get you to show you the Canaan, the promised land, the dreams, show you how you can get there. We give you the vehicle too. We show you how to get into the vehicle. We give you the tickets. We give you the pass. This is how you get to the promised land. This is by learning strategies like this. This is just the beginning. We're just showing you Forex. We haven't even talked about crypto yet. Okay, guys, we haven't talked about crypto. We haven't talked about crypto, like, you know, the Bitcoins, the Anos, the Solanas, many, many, many more. We haven't talked about this Bitcoin. We haven't talked about that. You can see right now there's a bullish trend here on Bitcoin. 15 minutes. It's showing it's going up. Okay, you can see that right there. It's green all the way. Green right here. It's green. Went down a little bit. Now it's green again. It's going up. As long as the candles are above the black line here, you can take a long trade, guys. You can see that using this strategy. Very simple, basic strategy. You can scalp going up here. If you take a sell here, you are going to lose because there's no red candles here. You can see a red histogram. Look at this volatility. It tells you the market is going up. It's an upward trend right there. That's why we call it directional volatility and volume. It shows you where it is headed. All right, guys? So it cannot get easier, guys. Come and join us. Subscribe to the channel, please. open your TradingView account and then go ahead and open your Forex trading account, okay? So you have that MT4 and you can start practicing on the demo how to trade using this strategy. Just using this indicator that I showed you. Just this. It is red, it is green. Come here. Just take a long position. There you go. And give it a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Start with 1 to 2. See whether that works. If 1 to 2 is too much, bring it down to 1.5. Right there. That should be easier to hit. 1.5 right there. So I'm using my stop loss as the previous swing low right here. You can see that was the previous swing low. And now I entered here and I'm waiting for the target to be hit right there. So depending on my lot size, I could make lots of money here. If my account is fat, if my account is small, then I make small change. But that's how we grow our account, using the compounding interest. Compound. Every day you're growing your account. You trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you grow your account from $100 to $150. Next week, 150 to 250. Next week, 250 to 400. Next week, 400 to 600. Now you see, the numbers start becoming interesting. From 600, you grow it to 900. From 900 to 1200. See, guys, what I'm saying? So within a week or two, you've grown this $100 account to $1,000 account. You start getting bigger trades, and it goes exponential. You won't believe it, how quickly it can explode. We've seen this, we've done that, and we've seen a lot of our students go through the same pathway. Okay, start small and become big. Some people have the muscle, they already have the incomes, they already have the money, they can start big and get even bigger. So whatever is going to make you successful, let's get doing it. Let's start the journey. The most important thing is to get started today, guys. Okay, so don't just watch this training and then shut it off and go home and sleep, and then watch another video tomorrow and go home and sleep. Watch another somebody else training, shiny object this, shiny object that. You're never gonna make it. Okay, we teach you strategies like where sometimes we just trade news, guys. If you go to Forex Factory right now and you go into news, okay, you can see. Look at what is going on here. High impact news. Wherever I see red, that is a high impact news. Some people just wait for this news and they take the trade either going up or going down. If you see it's going down, you just close your trade. Now it can happen so fast that you lose money. But some people have those alerts. So when it starts going down, boom, they jump in. Okay, the bias here. It is red. It seems like it's going to be just the same. You can see PPI. Okay, it says previous was 0.5, forecast is 0.1, so this is going down. So this can affect the strength of the dollar. Okay, so if you are trading a pair that has the dollar, you're going to see a lot of volatility here. Okay, so you'll be ready to cash in or lose big money if you're not careful. So these are some of the things these are called fundamentals. So you don't need any indicators. You just trade the news. You just go out and scour the news. What is Bloomberg saying? What is the chess? What is chess saying? What is the analysis? Okay, so you come and read the news and you make up your trading strategy based on the news for the day. What are the news for the day saying, or for the week, or for the month? What are the forecasts? What is Wall Street saying? What are US Forex brokers saying? What is the national economy saying? What is the reserve? So sometimes you just trade news, okay? Now some people even come and copy other traders here. Now I don't tell you to copy, because that is somebody giving you a fish, and the chances are you don't know what they're looking at or how much money they have in their account, because you can just follow somebody's signals blindly and they blow your account and then you start crying. Okay, we've gone through all this before, buying signals and being signal groups, and at the end of the day you have to learn how to do it yourself. Okay, there's nothing better than that, learning the skill, because nobody can take that away from you. If you learn how to fish, you will never go hungry. You go to the creek and fish your own fish, and go home and make your meal, okay, basically. But if you have to rely on somebody to give you a fish, then you'll be a slave. This is what we are trying to get you out of, from a 9-to-5 mentality to somewhere where you're independent. You come to the charts, you do your own analysis, and you take your own trades, okay? Boom. So you bake your own bread. You want to bake a big bread, a big cake, a small cake, it's up to you. We give you the skills. All right, guys, I'm going to end that here by telling you that everything is possible, and let us say a word of prayer. Father, in the power of the Almighty, I pray that those who are going to follow this training, those who are going to sign up for TradingView, those who are going to sign up for the brokerage, Forex brokers, HANKOTRADE, FxSway, MASARI accounts, they will be successful. And I pray that for those who are going to subscribe to this channel, that they will become successful. I pray that, and those who are going to share these trainings, they will become successful. Those who are going to take action, they will become successful. I pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Guys, go out there and be successful in the markets. In the power of the Almighty, I believe you guys are going to be successful. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Goodbye.
I don't really know